a tree, high up where the spirit free. From the hills a melody, redemption song. High on the mountain where the cool breeze flow, falling mist in a valley below. Ancient drum beats soft and slow, calling hearts to grow. City noise can't reach up here, Babylon lights disappear. Truth sound louder, crystal clear, faith replaced the fear. Old shepherds sing a humble hymn, eyes deep but spirit trim. Voice rise strong though daylight dim, praise belong to him. Stone and river tell the tale, freedom dream that never fail. Hope set sail beyond the veil, love prevail. Redemption song of the hills, echo through the valley still, healing hearts and broken will. Redemption song of the hills, redemption song of the hills. Truth deeper than worldly thrills, spirit rise and sorrow stills. Redemption song of the hills. We see the youth climb rocky side, searching truth them cannot hide. Burden heavy but them stride with Jah's guide. Babylon promise quick success, flashy gold and empty dress, but mountain wisdom always bless soul with righteousness. Mother pray beside the stream, teach the child to chase the dream. Life now always what it seems, faith supreme. Sunlight break through cloudy sky, eagles circle flying high. Every soul must testify, hope multiply. Redemption song of the hills, guide the soul where peace distills. Babylon power slowly chills. Redemption song of the hills. Hear me now, hilltop quiet but message loud. No need boast before a crowd, truth no hide beneath a shroud. Stand humble yet proud, from the rock and flowing stream, rise redemption ancient dream. More powerful than it seemed, just supreme. My brother once walked crooked way, lost in Babylon display. Now him climb and start to pray, find brighter day. My sister voice sweet and strong, turn her sorrow into song. Though the road seem hard and long, faith belong. Ancestors whisper in a breeze, guide the heart with gentle ease. Wisdom older than the seas, never cease. From the hill living freely. All that seek shall surely find. Freedom starts inside the mind. Leave corruption far behind. Love mankind. So when darkness cloud the sight and the world seem full of fight, listen close in the night. Song bring light. Redemption song of the hills, echo through the valley still. Ancient truth forever will. Redemption song of the hills, faith and courage it instill. Redemption song of the hills, yeah, when the hills to the world. Redemption song forever. No crown on the head, no palace on the hill. Yet wisdom walk quiet, prophets walk among the poor. Dusty road in the morning sun, barefoot elders slowly come. Simple road but wisdom strong, sing redemption song. Babylon pass him every day, blind to truth along the way. But humble heart can clearly say, prophet come fi stay. Not in palace full of gold, nor in mansion proud and bold, but in a ghetto lane them stroll, ancient stories told. Me see him sit with sufferer man, share the bread from humble pan, teach the youth fi understand Jah eternal plan. Prophets walk among the poor, knocking softly at the door, teach the truth forevermore. Prophets walk among the poor. Prophets walk among the poor, where the suffer endure, healing hearts that once unsure. Prophets walk among the poor. Missy one on the market square, gray beard dancing in the air, eyes reflect the silent prayer, truth beyond compare. Him say youth guard your mind well, Babylon cast wicked spell, but righteous soul no ever sell, nor in darkness dwell. No microphone fi spread him word, still him message widely heard, through the breeze and singing bird, ancient wisdom stirred. Hearts awaken one by one, like sunrise after night is done. New beginning just begun, under Jah sun. Prophets walk among the poor, simple truth them reassure, spiritual cure them ensure. Prophets walk among the poor. Hear me now, prophet not always dress in crown, sometimes him wear the poorest gun. He walk where pain and tears abound, planting hope in broken ground. Babylon searching palace all, but wisdom answer humble call. tester all the while. Hope stretch further than the mile. Love defeat the trial. Me brother once was lost in rage, trapped inside oppression cage. Now him turn another page, guided by the sage. Prophet whisper soft and clear, cast aside the chain of fear. Even when the night's severe, morning draw near. From Kingston Yard to desert sand, same message cross the land. Truth no tyrant can command. Guide me now. Prophets walk among the poor, teaching lessons from before, opening the hidden door. Prophets walk among the poor. Prophets walk among the poor. Faith and courage they restore. Blessing flow forevermore. Prophets walk among the poor. Wisdom often quiet speak, humble voice but never weak. Truth revealed to those who seek, strength for the meek. Power blind with prideful sight, ignore the humble guiding light. Yet prophets still defend the right, true day and night. Don't make glitter for a day, but love and truth forever stay. Light will chase the dark away, come what may. So when confusion cloud the mind, and wickedness seem intertwined, look among the poor and find truth for mankind. Prophets walk among the poor, hear their wisdom at the door. Ancient truth forever sure. Prophets walk among the poor, guide the lost forevermore. Prophets walk among the poor. Not in pride, not in throne, brought among the poor. Truth is known. Yeah, yeah. Hear the breeze through the cedar tree, high up where the spirit free. From the hills a melody, redemption song. High upon the mountain where the cool breeze flow, while in mist in a valley below. Ancient drum beats soft and slow, calling hearts to grow. City noise can't reach up here, Babylon lights disappear. Truth sound louder, crystal clear, faith replaced the fear. Old shepherds sing a humble hymn, eyes deep but spirit trim. Voice rise strong though daylight dim, praise belong to him. Stone and river tell the tale, freedom dream that never fail. Hope set sail beyond the veil, love prevail. Redemption song of the hills, echo through the valley still. Healing hearts and broken will. Redemption song of the hills, redemption song of the hills. flashy gold and empty dress, but mountain wisdom always bless soul with righteousness. Mother pray beside the stream, teach the child to chase the dream. Life no always what it seems, faith supreme. Sunlight break through cloudy sky, eagle circle flying high. Every soul must testify, hope multiply. Redemption song of the hills, guide the soul where peace distills. Babylon power slowly chills, redemption song of the hills. Hear me now, hilltop quiet but message loud. No need boast before a crowd. Truth no hide beneath a shroud. Stand humble yet proud. From the rock and flowing stream, rise redemption ancient dream. More powerful than it seemed, just supreme. My brother once walked crooked way, lost in Babylon display. Now him climb and start to pray, find brighter day. My sister voice sweet and strong, turn her sorrow into song. Though the road seem hard and long, faith belong. Ancestors whisper in a breeze, guide the heart with gentle ease. Wisdom older than the seas, never cease. From the hills message descend, truth no tyrant can suspend. Love alone can truly mend, world we defend. Redemption song of the hills, echo through the daffodil fields. Every wounded spirit heals. Redemption song of the hills, redemption song of the hills. Faith stronger than iron wills, ancient promise it fulfills. Redemption song of the hills. Man chase glory made of sand, while real treasure close at hand. Peace no bought by silver band, wisdom understand. Mountain teach humility, river show continuity. Life a sacred unity, given freely. All that seek shall surely find, freedom start inside the mind. Leave corruption far behind, love mankind. So when darkness cloud the sight, and the world seem full of fight, Not in palace full of gold, nor in mansion proud and bold, but in a ghetto lane them stroll, ancient stories told. Me see him sit with sufferer man, share the bread from humble pan, teach the youth fi understand Jah eternal plan. Prophets walk among the poor, knocking softly at the door, teach the truth forevermore. Prophets walk among the poor. Prophets walk among the poor, where the suffer endure, healing hearts that once unsure. Prophets walk among the poor. Missy one pon the market square, greybeard dancing in the air, eyes reflect the silent prayer, truth beyond compare. Him say youth guard your mind well, Babylon cast wicked spell, but righteous soul no ever sell, nor in darkness dwell. No microphone fi spread him word, still him message widely heard, through the breeze and singing bird, ancient wisdom stirred. Hearts awaken one by one, like sunrise after night is done. New beginning just begun, under Jah's sun. Prophets walk among the poor, simple truth them reassure, spiritual cure them ensure. Prophets walk among the poor. Hear me now. Prophet not always dress in crown, sometimes him wear the poorest gun. He walk where pain and tears abound, planting hope in broken ground. Babylon searching palace all, but wisdom answer humble call. Me sister hear him words and smile, though life test her all the while. Hope stretch further than the mile, love defeat the trial. Me brother once was lost in rage, trapped inside oppression cage. Now him turn another page, guided by the sage. Prophet whisper soft and clear, cast aside the chain of fear. Even when the night's severe, morning draw near. From Kingston Yard to desert sand, same message cross the land. Truth no tyrant can command. Try guide me now. Prophets walk among the poor, teaching lessons from before, opening the hidden door. Prophets walk among the poor. Prophets walk among the poor, faith and courage they restore, blessing flow forevermore. Prophets walk among the poor. Wisdom often quiet speak, humble voice but never weak. Truth revealed to those who seek, strength for the meek. Power blind with prideful sight, ignore the humble guiding light. Yet prophets still defend the right, true day and night. Don't make glitter for a day, but love and truth forever stay. Light will chase the dark away,